Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of 1000 days challenge. Just doing a very quick update again today. So, if you look in terms of the balance equity update, no change in terms of that. But what I do mention is right now I don't really see much of a great trading opportunity when they talk about swing position. And if you're talking in terms of daily and in terms of 4 hour time frame wise, I don't see much of a good entry position wise in that sense. Alright, across the board in terms of the traditional financial market, the S&P 500, Nasdaq, ASHR and KWEB itself, I do think that US equity market leaning towards the neutral to slightly a bit more bullish kind of a territory itself. But bear in mind that unless we maintain above where we are right now, it bounces up, they still lean towards a further downside momentum. That is the overall big picture downside still remains. That's one. If you look into our ASHR and KWEB wise, then tentatively I'll say it's a bit of neutral to slightly bearish in that sense. And then finally for Bitcoin itself, we did form a red bearish candlestick earlier today. So I was thinking that with this type of volume, it actually was to be leaning towards the downside. But surprisingly, even though we did actually dip to the lower point of it, we actually managed to bounce back up quite nicely. But bearing in mind that even though we are looking to have a decent bounce, the volume is still not very much strong in that sense. So you can see that ever since the impact of the fateful day on how the FTX is impacted, it really is a cascading down effect in that sense. So do bear in mind that I do think that we are much more likely to see one more further downside, although we could have another big bounce towards the 17K region itself before we do actually drop back down as well. So that will give much more opportunity because right now in terms of futures wise, it looks a little bit more extended because if everybody is trying to short in terms of crypto wise, especially using futures, that would also likely mean that the funding rate would be increasing significantly, resulting in kind of stopping out the short setup itself. So for me right now, I'm staying clear of the market until the market is a little bit more clear, be neutral in that sense, and then a decent entry point for me to enter a short setup, then I'll consider it. Otherwise, I'll stay clear of the market. And with that said, I've come to the end of today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.